He was already charged with choking a family member. Standing in court, the judge asked one simple question: were the violations true? He didn't argue, didn't hesitate, just said, true. Even after being warned he could face 10 years in prison, he still didn't take it back. But what the judge did next changed everything.
Court is calling 2020 CR 7655, State of Texas versus James John Alva. Now parties announced for the record for the state.
Michael Villarreal for the state.
For the defense.
George Schaefer for defendant, Your Honor.
And are you James John Alva?
Yes, ma'am.
Show you two documents. The first is entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. The next is entitled State's Motion of Supplement Pending Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Probation. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? I'm sorry?
Yes.
All right, that mask does no good if it's not covering your nose. All right. Are you the same James John Alva who was placed under court adjudication in 2020 CR 7655 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on January 12th, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
Violated condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant James John Alva, defendant there, failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of April through December 2021 in violation of condition number 5.
Are you pleased with that? True or not true?
True.
And the state would waive and abandon the remaining allegations.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Alva, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court can find it true, grant the motion, and not grant you community supervision and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. There's agreements to grant the state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt, and assess punishment of 2 years confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice and an affirmative finding of guilty violence.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor, and we would also ask that the court allow credit for any time served.
Mr. Alva, you're asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right, the court will follow your agreement, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Carrie, C-A-R-R-I-E, Lynn, L-Y-N-N, P-O-Q-U-E, a.k.a. Carrie Lindell, L-I-N-D-E-L-L. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Nothing further from the state.
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Alva, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, just one moment off the record, Mr. Lessa. I don't believe this is the correct trial. Is this the new? All right, Mr. Alva, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because that's not the correct one. Just 1 second. That's not the correct trial court certification. Everyone, just give me a moment. Thank you. Mr. Villarreal. Yes.
Well, maybe that's why there weren't any there in the first place.
There we go. Because there's some extra steps. Let me see those.
Looks like there's 2 different forms in there.
Yes. All right, just to be on the safe side, can you sign this as well for your client, and we'll just send both up, but they're two separate forms. I haven't signed that one, because I don't know when Lupe's gonna come up with the other one. All right, Mr. Alva, you've signed the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right, because this was a plea bargain agreement and each of, oh, you're still signing. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And because there's an affirmative finding of family violence, and also because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to contact an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. We're signing both of them.
Okay, this is the right one.
You wanna-
Judge, may I have a moment to finish these?
Yes.
Yeah.